Hello and welcome to the UNL Chemistry video series. In this video, we are going to go over the proper techniques for using a burette. Here is what you're going to need: a burette stand, a burette, a funnel, a waste beaker, the liquid going into your burette, and deionized water with a dropper. The first thing that you always want to do is to clean your burette to ensure that there are no impurities inside. Take your burette and mount it in the stand. Place your waste beaker under the tip of the burette. When the stopcock on the burette is turned in this direction, it allows liquid to flow through. When the stopcock is in this position, it stops the flow of liquid. For cleaning the burette, we are going to leave it in the open position. Start cleaning your burette by taking your deionized water and partially filling the burette. Let the water run all the way out of the burette. Repeat this process again. I recommend that you use a dropper to help you wash the sides of the burette. You need to run deionized water through at least 3 times. Now you are going to do the same procedure with the liquid you are putting into the burette. Make sure you wash the sides of the burette with this liquid as well. Again, this needs to be done a minimum of 3 times as well. After rinsing the burette, turn the stopcock to stop the flow of the liquid. Now fill the burette with your liquid. You do not have to be super precise with this. Open the stopcock to let a steady flow of liquid through. There are commonly bubbles trapped in the tip of the burette. These bubbles can throw off the precision of your measurements, so it is important to get them out. Give the burette a few light flicks with your finger to remove the bubbles. Once the bubbles are cleared, turn the stopcock. Now fill your burette to your desired initial volume. I like to fill mine up past the 0 mark, then run the burette down to my initial mark at 0. Once you have recorded the initial volume, you are ready to use your burette. Cleaning the burette is really the complicated part. Measuring liquids with the burette is the easy part. Place the container you wish to deliver your liquid to underneath the burette. Open the stopcock and allow the liquid to run. Keep a close eye on the liquid's meniscus to make sure you don't go past your mark. Once you get close to your desired volume, turn the stopcock slightly to slow the flow of liquid. Keep turning it to get slower and slower until you have the amount that you want. Once you have your desired volume, make sure to touch the tip of the burette to the side of the transfer container to transfer the last bit of liquid. If you didn't start at 0, make sure you take your final volume minus your initial volume for the amount transferred. Just remember to use the correct number of significant figures. Since there are graduated lines for every 1/10 of a milliliter, we are going to record to the nearest 1/100th of a milliliter for the correct number of significant figures. Thank you for watching this video. These techniques, when done properly, will help you obtain the best results in the lab. In the description below are links to 3 more instrument technique videos that will help you as well. These videos include techniques with balances, graduated cylinders, and pipettes. Good luck!